All right, so we've been working on multiplication. What are some of the strategies we've been using for multiplication? AJ? Multiply. We have been multiplying. What have you been using to help us multiply? Aiden?
The little boxes to put the numbers in.
Yes. Our box models. What else? What else with Trevor?
Working backwards.
Working backwards. Scarlett? Well, yeah, we do have to do addition when we're multiplying. We add our partial products, right? What's another one? What have we been doing with the big numbers when we want to multiplying?
Breaking apart.
We've been breaking those apart, kind of like expanded form, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to continue to work on multiplying. As like a real. Yesterday we were working on it a little bit, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we were doing. So 74 times 6. And what would be my first step? I have in the book, it says it just like this. What should I do first? If it was wrote just like this, what should I do first, David?
4 times 6.
That's not going to be my first step. Can you multiply like this?
No.
How should I set it up?
Upward.
Aiden?
Put it in line.
Yep, we're going to put it over here in line. It's easier for us to multiply. Our goal for this lesson is to be able to multiply multi-digit numbers by single-digit numbers, okay? So by the end of our lesson unit, we should be able to do this. So how many partial products should I have for this multiplication problem, Brooke? 2. And why is it only 2? Our biggest number, there's 2 of them. Right. So I'm going to draw a box so that you guys can see that. 1 partial product, 2 partial products. What's my first step for multiplying, Hunter? What's my first step? What should I multiply together?
6 times 4.
6 times 4. And I'm going to write it over here so I can see it. 6 times 4. All right, guys, help me out. What's 6 times 4? David?
24.
Perfect. We have 24. What do we multiply next? Hallie?
You multiply you multiply 70 times 6.
Perfect. You remember the place value because that 7 actually represents 70 times 6. So what should I do when I go to multiply this? What should I do, Maya?
Do 6 times 7.
6 times 7 add a 0. So we do our basics back. So 6 times 7 is what? What is 6 times 7, guys?
42.
42. And then how many zeros?
1.
Just 1 0. Make sure you line up your place values. And my last step, Ryler. I have my partial products. What should I do now?
Add.
I should add them together. Perfect. 4 plus 0.
4.
2 plus 2.
4.
4 plus 0.
4.
So our product is
444.
perfect. Let's try one more together.
Okay.
819 times 5. How many partial products will I have, Aiden Tucker?
3.
3. So I'm going to draw 3 boxes so that you guys can see that. 2. And come back. Here it is. 3. My first step, Damon. Multiply what?
9 times 5.
Perfect. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to write 9 times 5 so I know what I multiply. 9 times 5 is? 45. What do I multiply next, Brooke?
10. Yeah, 10 times 5.
Good job remembering your place value. And you told me the answer. Perfect. 10 times 5 is 50. And my Grayson, my last one.
What was it? 800 times 5.
Perfect. 800 times 5. You remembered your
40.
place value. 8 times 5 is?
40.
And how many zeros?
2.
Make sure we line up our place values. And my last step, Ella, what do I do now? I have all my partial products. I'm going to add them.
If your answer if you do 80 times 5 and it's 40, would you have to add that 0 in the 4 if it's already 40?
So if I got 8 times 5, what is it?
40.
It's 40. You have to add the additional 2 zeros. You cannot, because there's 1 0, you can't just add one more. It's additional. You write your answer and
So
then
if
you
your
add.
answer is 40 and you add 2 zeros, you have to actually add the 2 zeros.
Yes, you do.
Even if your answer is 40, you still have to add that
Right,
zero.
you do. Every
I
time.
was wrong.
So let's add them together.
5.
5 plus 4.
9.
9. 0 plus 0 plus 0.
0.
4 plus 0 plus 0.
4.
So our product is
4,095.
perfect. So how are you guys feeling? Thumbs up? Down? Sideways? Let's see. Yeah, you guys are getting this. So we're going to do problems 6 to 21. I want to just like this so I can see what's going on in your brains and make sure you guys get the right answers, okay?
Yeah.
All right.